What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just on my way right now to go grab our jet ski from the shop. Nicole and I are gonna head to the lake. Matt's gonna join us. Matt also has a jet ski, so we're gonna get those out on the water. His is running pretty good. He needs to do a few things to his. Mine's a little bit older. I haven't done really anything on mine, so needs a little bit of work, and I definitely do want to feature it on the channel a little bit. I kind of want to learn some things because it's totally different than cars, to be honest. Things like the seat needs to be reupholstered. The shell is fiberglass and it needs some repairs, so I can learn a few things on that, so it's gonna be super fun. But mainly, I just want to get out and have some fun because these things are awesome. They're both two-stroke and they are a blast on the water, so let's go grab it. I'll show you what it looks like right now, and then we'll take you along for the ride. Oh, I got a new GoPro as well, which is super sick. So we're gonna get some different footage, some actual onboard stuff, and get you a little more immersed in the action. So let's go do all that right now. Have some fun today. Alright guys, here it is, 1996 Kawasaki. Ooh, she needs a good cleaning. Fortunately, I parked it under a tree at the shop here. Oh man. Well, let's go give this thing, oh my goodness. Let's go give it a good cleaning. Needs some work, obviously, but yeah. So let's go give this thing a little bit of a wash and then we'll hit the lake. The jet ski a little bit. It's actually a lot worse than we were expecting, so we're gonna have to get a little bit of spray or something to do a good soak down, good detail on it. I mean, you can see there's some pretty good built up grime on there, but whatever. So you can see the kind of condition it's in. The fiberglass is a little bit chewed up. I guess just the paint off the top is missing all these rubber pads. It's supposed to match these purple all the way, and to be honest, these ones are kind of coming up in certain corners. Seat is clearly the worst visual part. This thing is gnarly, but not too difficult to reupholster it, so we'll do that one day. This is giving me the most grief mechanically because the primer wasn't working. So it was one of those pull the little plunger things in there. Things like this, a little loose. I think it's missing a few screws in the back. Kind of see them right there. It's a pretty fun toy, so doesn't look the part. We're gonna fix it up. Clearly there's some projects we need to do to this, and it's gonna be fun, guys. So let me know what you think I should do with it. I think we're gonna completely redeckle it, maybe rebuild the motor one day, and it's not running too bad. It needs a new propeller, new jet in there. It's hard to see, but it's up in there. Basically, is what I think has happened based on what I've seen online is when they get chunked out, if a chunk comes out of the edge, what happens quite often is just running stuff through it, they get chewed up, and you know, maybe a rock goes through the system or something like that, takes a chunk out. And then this ski in particular has really terrible acceleration. So I think in the future we're gonna order a new impeller, a new jet, and get the acceleration up there. Personally, I think it's fun to have really fast acceleration so you can do tight little moves and stuff, but I think this ski is a little more designed for top speed, which is still pretty fun, just not what I'm going for. Let's go have some fun. Let's get on the lake. It's freaking hot out here.
Yeah.
Got a lot hotter than I was expecting.
Yeah, I'm fucking boiling. I'm dying in here. You're like taking your time. I'm fucking like a dog in a car right now.
They want to know. I gotta tell them the vlog.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Gotta get this motor in that jet ski.
Yeah, right.
Gotta get a fucking jet prop.
I know. That's a
New impeller.
It's alive. Here we go. Loud as hell, but it's awake. Battery's a little weak on it, I think, so kind of sucks. Oh, I probably should have charged it, but whatever. Let it charge a little bit, let it warm up. It'll be good. Let's get this thing out of the water. What's going on?
Just gotta crank it over, get her popped.
Nice.
Get her to go. Sometimes I gotta pour some fuel down the car and get it like a good hit, and then it picks up and it's enough to like start sucking fuel. I didn't know it wasn't filming the whole thing. Nice. That was better. What happened? Oh, yeah. Alright guys, we just got home from jet skiing today from the lake. It was super fun. The lake wasn't too busy and we got some really nice weather. The jet ski was running pretty good actually, and there's definitely gonna need some work in the future, so I'm definitely gonna put together like a series. Maybe we'll do like a limited series on doing some fixes to it and some mods. Unfortunately, we had to cut the day a little short because I took a hard hit and my knee made a little bit of a pop sound, so now we're chilling. Gonna watch some Seinfeld classic. Hopefully my knee's okay. Thanks for checking out today's video. I know it's a little bit of a different one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow along for all the fun content. We're gonna have a lot of interesting videos coming up and a lot more drifting stuff and jet ski stuff. So it's gonna be really fun, and follow along for the adventures, guys. Have a good night. Peace out.